Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Wande. So in today's video I'll be showing you 3 ways to productively use your self timer, and I'll be sharing the behind the scenes of my Eid Edit with you. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I released my Eid Edit about 10 days ago, and I said I was going to share the behind the scenes with you guys. I shot and filmed the whole thing myself, and I said I was going to share the behind the scenes with you guys and share some of the tips with you guys, and the title of this video. In this video you will notice that I made a lot of mistakes. I had to correct that, and so that you guys will not make the same mistake, I am sharing that with you right now. And the only thing you guys can do to support me is to subscribe, like and share my video. See the 3: you like, you watch it first, you watch it in the end, you like, you subscribe and you share. It's not too hard. It will not take any money from your pocket. It's literally the easiest thing. You can just watch it, like, share and subscribe. Just do that for me, So if you don't want to watch the behind the scenes, you can just go to the timestamp on the screen right now and just go and watch the 3 ways to productively use the self timer. Before we get into the video, let me know what you guys think of this setup. What setup do you think this is? What kind of camera do you think I'm using? What kind of lighting do you think I'm using? What kind of audio do you think I'm using? I'd like to know what you guys think. I'll share with you all these things at the end of the video. But you guys should not cheat though. Just let me know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments right now. Like right now, go and type right now what you think this camera setup is like. If you want to enjoy this process, the behind the scenes process with me, let's jump right into the video. So guys, I am in my studio right now, my small studio. I might do a tour or not. I'm in my studio right now. I want to steam the clothes, and yeah, let's get to it. So guys, my lighting setup is a mess right now. I've not figured it out. So I have my key lights there. There is supposed to be a few lights here, a few lights and a backlight. But I have only 2 lights, and I want to maximize it as much as I can, as much as possible. And these lights don't even have stands, so I'm just going to manage. Now this is my key light. I have a remote for it. I'm trying to figure out what lighting would work. So it's at 4000 kelvins on my lights, and it has 4000 kelvins on my camera as well. But I notice the shadow is not so much, so I think I can work with this. I've been at this thing since, and it's like almost 11 o'clock right now. I've not started shooting, and I have to make videos as well. So
Day 2.
hey guys, so I just started breakfast. Today is day 2 of this shoot process. So yesterday, after struggling with the lighting and everything, my camera was going out of focus, and it was just a lot of stress. And by the way, I'm going to give you guys a tip on how to do self timer and how to manipulate your focus. But yeah, for now, this is behind the scenes, and yeah, let's get into it. back. So let's get straight into the productive ways to use a self timer. If you notice in this video here, I was just going in, clicking on a shutter button and going back. So what happens is when you go in, the camera is trying to focus, so you're confusing it. You're too close. That's focused on you. When you go back, it's like trying to adjust itself. It's like all over the place, trying to like, oh, what am I to focus on? And your picture turns out blurry. So what you want to do is you don't stay in front of the lens. You go behind, set your scene, click the shutter button, then run there to take your shot. That's how it worked for me. Because the whole first day, I was just going there and I was getting blurry photos. I was so frustrated. I don't want you guys to be frustrated. So yeah, that's one. The second one is simple thing. Most people buy remote controls. I don't have a remote control because I can't afford it right now. I can't remember how much. It's not so expensive. You can get for like 15-20k, but I don't have that money right now, so I'm not using a remote control. So you can get a remote control for your camera, or the third option is to get the camera connected. Depending on the camera you use, I use a Canon. If you use a Sony, try and get the app for Sony, and there's a way you can use your phone. So you download the app on your phone and connect it to your camera and use your phone. Hi guys, I'm so sorry. I forgot to tell you whether you're right or wrong. So guys, if you said I was using my phone, you said it was natural light and I was using my phone's audio. You're absolutely right. And if you said otherwise, you're wrong. And don't worry, there'll be other opportunities for you to shine. So yeah. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, please share, like and subscribe. Share with your family and friends. Let them benefit from this. Share with people you think are going to benefit from this. Until next Saturday, bye guys.